This video is just going to be a look at. This is the Bella mixer blender. I purchased this from Best Buy, I believe. Detailed info will be below. I got a pretty good price. I believe they were about $8.99 or $9.99 a while back. I purchased about 4 of them just to have them as backups. And my wife's been using them. They don't last. Well, actually, the motor lasts pretty long. It's the top part. The top part ends up going bad. You're getting hairline fractures or cracks on the actual jar or container or whatever this part is called. And it starts to leak. But you know, they work for as long as they work, they're worth the price. The motors last a while. I haven't had no issues with the motor at all. So we end up with more of these and less of these. This is the cable that comes with it. Again, it just works. It's very low price. I don't know what they're going for now. So I'll try to see if they're even selling it. I'll leave the link below, see how much they're going for now. But I believe I paid under $10 for this a long time ago, about 10 years ago. And I thought to myself, let me do a look at video so you can get an idea of a low price blender if they're still using it, or a shaker, or it's a personal blender slash pulse slash mixer slash. It works well. We put ice in it, anything we want to blend. You can't put it's not gonna work like the really big blenders, but it does the job. We mostly make shakes with this, and that's what we use it for. And it's nice to have extra around just in case one goes bad. You just switch it out and you don't worry too much about the money because it's not that expensive. I don't know about now. It's July of 2022 and the prices of everything has gone up. So I don't know how much it is now. I should have done that before I started the video. Sorry about that, but you can check the latest prices below. I'm just doing the measurement of the actual cable. About 27 inches, or 2 feet 4 inch. 2 feet 3 inches. The Bella Personal Blender. Again, it works very well. This will be at the end on the slideshow. Tell you all the details in regards to the. Should have saved the box, but as a matter of fact, I think they came in a brown paper box. I'm sorry, a plain brown box, and it was 4 of them in there. I don't know what the ounces is on this. It looks like it's 14 ounces to here. I don't know if this is the max fill-up location. You'll have to look below. And I'm sorry, wait to the end. I have this on the slideshow, and you'll get more detailed information. Okay. I hope you liked the video. This opens up like that, so you can do your mix and then drink right out of the cup. Be careful because sometimes it leaks from here. This doesn't really hold very well. Flimsy kind of. Okay, I hope you liked the video. Again, detailed pictures at the end.